Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is Easy English Flow. Today, we are sitting in a very common place, a coffee shop.
Hi friends, I am Noah, and I am very happy you are here. Today, we will practice daily English speaking at the coffee shop.
Yes, this is a place many people go every day to order coffee, to talk, to relax.
And it is a great place to practice English. Simple words, simple sentences, real-life English.
If you are a beginner, do not worry. You are in the right place.
If you make mistakes, that is okay. Mistakes help you learn.
Take a deep breath, relax, and listen with us.
Imagine you are walking into a coffee shop. You smell coffee, you hear soft music.
You walk to the counter, the barista smiles, and you need to speak English.
This can feel scary, but we will help you, step by step.
Let us start with a simple conversation. I will be the customer.
And I will be the barista.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
I would like a coffee, please.
Sure. What kind of coffee would you like?
A small latte, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything else?
Yes, one chocolate muffin.
Great choice. That will be $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait over there.
That was simple, right?
Very simple. Short sentences, easy words.
You do not need long sentences.
You only need clear sentences.
Now, let us talk about real life. Maybe you go to a coffee shop before work.
Or after school, or on the weekend.
You might feel nervous.
Your heart beats fast.
You think about grammar.
But in real life, people care about meaning, not perfect grammar.
Yes, people want to understand you.
And they are usually friendly.
Now, let us learn some useful words.
These words are very common in coffee shops.
Coffee, tea, latte, cappuccino.
Size: small, medium, large.
Hot, iced, sugar, milk.
To go or for here.
Let me use them in a sentence. I would like a medium coffee to go.
Good sentence. Very natural.
Another one. Can I get an iced latte, please?
Perfect. Simple and clear.
Now, let us practice questions and answers. I will ask, you listen, then repeat later. What would you like to drink?
I would like a coffee.
What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Very good. Now we will switch roles. I will ask,
And I will answer.
hi, what can I get for you?
Can I have a cappuccino, please?
What size?
Large, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you. That is all.
Excellent. You see, this is real English. Now let us do shadowing practice
Listen carefully.
and repeat the full sentence after me when you practice alone. I would like a coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
Can I get a latte?
Can I get a latte?
Hot or iced?
Hot or iced?
To go, please.
To go, please.
Very nice.
Your pronunciation will improve with practice.
Do not rush.
Speak slowly.
Confidence comes with repetition. Now, let us move a little deeper. Sometimes the barista asks more questions.
Yes, like milk options.
For example, would you like regular milk or soy milk?
You can answer regular milk, please.
Or soy milk, please.
Simple.
Let us act it out again.
Okay.
Hi, can I get a latte, please?
Sure. What size?
Medium, please.
Hot or iced?
Iced, please.
What kind of milk?
Regular milk, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please. That sounds natural.
Yes, very natural.
You are doing great. Now, think about your life.
Maybe you are learning English for work.
Or travel.
Or confidence.
Every small conversation helps.
Every coffee shop visit is practice time.
Let us review some key sentences again.
Repetition is powerful.
I would like a coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
Can I get a latte?
Can I get a latte?
That is all. Thank you.
That is all. Thank you.
Very good. Now, let us talk about confidence.
Confidence is not about perfect English.
It is about trying,
Speaking even when you're nervous.
smiling, being polite.
If you forget a word, it is okay.
You can point,
You can use simple words.
or say it another way.
For example, if you forget latte,
You can say milk coffee.
people will understand.
Now, let us do one last shadowing practice.
Say it with confidence.
Hi, can I get a medium coffee to go, please?
Hi, can I get a medium coffee to go, please?
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Beautiful.
You sound great.
Remember, English is a skill.
Skills grow with practice.
Do not wait to be perfect.
Speak today.
Even one sentence is enough.
Even one coffee order is success.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We are proud of you.
Keep practicing with easy English flow.
And keep speaking English every day.
Now that you feel comfortable ordering, let us slow down and talk a little more, like really people do in a coffee shop.
Yes, because many times the conversation does not stop after the order.
Exactly. Maybe you are waiting for your drink.
Or maybe you sit at a table and talk to a friend.
These moments are great for English practice.
And the English is still simple.
Imagine you are waiting for your coffee. The barista calls your name.
Lena, your latte is ready.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your drink.
That was polite and friendly. Now I sit down at a table.
I come and sit with you.
Hi, Noah. Did you order already?
Yes, I got a black coffee.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here almost every day.
Me too. I like this place.
The coffee's good, and the music is nice.
This is very natural English.
Short questions, short answers.
You do not need big words.
You only need clear ideas.
Now let us talk about some common problems learners have.
Many people think too much before speaking.
They worry about mistakes.
But in a coffee shop, nobody checks grammar.
People just want to communicate. Let us learn a few more useful words.
These words help you sound more natural.
Cream, sugar, napkin, straw.
Table, chair, window, counter.
Let me use them. Can I have some sugar, please?
Very good.
Another one. Can I get a napkin?
Perfect.
Now let us practice question and answer again.
I will ask you like a barista.
And you answer like a customer.
Would you like sugar or cream?
Sugar, please.
How many sugars?
1, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you. That was easy.
Yes, and very common.
Now let us switch roles again.
Okay.
Excuse me, can I get a napkin?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Small conversations like this build confidence.
Each sentence is a win.
Now we will do shadowing practice again.
Listen and repeat later.
Can I have some sugar, please?
Can I have some sugar, please?
Do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
The coffee is really good.
The coffee is really good.
Excellent.
Your mouth is learning new sounds.
Your brain is learning patterns. Now let us talk about real-life feelings.
Sometimes you feel shy.
Sometimes you feel scared.
That is normal.
Even native speakers feel shy sometimes.
Confidence grows when you try again and again.
One coffee shop, one sentence, one smile. Let us act one longer conversation.
Okay.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit.
Thank you.
No problem.
Do you like this coffee shop?
Yes, I like it a lot.
Me too. The coffee is nice.
And the place is quiet.
It is a good place to relax. That sounded very natural.
And very easy.
Now repeat some key sentences again.
Repetition helps confidence.
Can I get a coffee, please?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Is this seat free?
Is this seat free?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You are doing great.
Really?
Remember, you do not need perfect English.
You need brave English.
Speak even if your voice shakes.
Speak even if your sentence is short.
This coffee shop English can help you everywhere.
In restaurants.
In bakeries.
In daily life.
Keep listening.
Keep repeating.
Keep speaking.
You are improving every day.
Now let us stay here a little longer and really feel the confidence growing inside you.
Yes, because confidence does not come in one moment.
It comes from repetition and calm practice.
And today, you practiced a lot.
Imagine this is not your first time anymore.
You walk into the coffee shop like you belong there.
You look at the menu without stress.
You already know what to say.
You take a small breath.
You smile.
And you speak.
Hi there, what can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
Just milk, please.
For here or to go?
For here, thank you. That felt smooth and natural.
Because you trusted yourself.
Now you wait for your drink.
This is another chance to practice.
You can say thank you again.
You can ask a simple question.
Excuse me, how long will it take?
Just a few minutes.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome.
Small talk like this builds strong English.
And strong confidence.
Let us gently repeat some key vocabulary again.
Not like a test.
Like a friendly reminder. Order.
Order.
Counter.
Counter.
Receipt.
Receipt.
Change.
Change.
These words live in real life.
And now they live in your mind.
Let us use them in sentences.
I'll start.
Okay?
I placed my order at the counter.
I paid and got my receipt.
I waited for my change.
Then I enjoyed my coffee.
Very clear.
Very simple. Now let us do one more round of question and answer practice.
This time, imagine you are really there.
What would you like to drink?
I would like a latte, please.
What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. That is all.
That is perfect English.
Not perfect grammar.
Perfect communication. Now let us do a longer shadowing flow.
Speak with a calm voice.
Hi, can I get a medium coffee, please?
Hi, can I get a medium coffee, please?
For here, please.
For here, please.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Listen to how smooth that sounds.
That is you speaking English.
Many learners think confidence comes first.
But confidence comes after action.
You speak first.
Confidence follows.
Every coffee shop visit is a small lesson.
Every sentence is progress.
Some days will feel easy.
Some days will feel hard.
Both days are good days.
Do not wait to feel ready.
Speak to become ready.
Even one sentence a day is enough.
Even one coffee order matters.
You are not behind.
You are learning at your own speed.
We believe in you.
And we are proud of you. Thank you for practicing with us today.
Thank you for choosing Easy English Flow.
Keep listening.
Keep repeating.
Keep speaking English with confidence.
We will see you in the next lesson.